Hey, what's up everybody, I'm here. Today, in this video, let's take a quick look at the Xiaomi PavoTube Ultra. Rocking its in-house 3nm flagship chipset, the Xiaolindrawing. In this video, let's find out where exactly is the Ultra part. Xiaomi PavoTube Ultra 15th anniversary version, Xiaomi logo, Dolby Vision items. When you see the box, you know this is gonna be a huge one. Let's unbox it. A 120 watts charger, oh my god. And also a Type A to Type C cable and some paperwork, the things. Okay, basically nothing. So it's a gigantic box, but not so much inside it, but better than Apple and Samsung, isn't it? Now, let me walk you through the designs really quickly. So on top we have the speakers. They have 8 speakers on this 7 Ultra, and it looks and it sounds really awesome. We'll get to that in a moment. Dolby Vision items certified, and power key here. And to this side we have the volume rocker, and that's the touch area for the pen. Type C speakers. And this said nothing. Moving to the back, we have Xiaomi logo. That's the camera module. Looks really premium, right? X-ray charging contacts. Ooh, so my first impression is like, wow, this is a gigantic 40-inch pad, but surprisingly, it's super lightweight. I can just easily grab it with one hand without worrying about falling out. Look at how slim this is. Only 5.1 millimeters thick with super narrow 3.95 millimeter bezel. The up is the Ultra, and the down is the 7 Pro, the PavoTube Pro. And this is the Galaxy S25 Ultra phone. So you can see like, woo, how thin it is. So the specs overview, this device is powered by the Xiaolindrawing flagship 3nm processor and weighs just 609 grams. 609 grams. It's it's lighter than the 2024 iPad, though it's much larger. And on the front, there is a stunning 14-inch flagship OLED screen. Now a little bit more about the display. You are getting a 3.2K resolution panel with a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. It reaches a peak brightness of 1600 nits and has a global max brightness of 900 nits. It supports HDR10 Plus and offers 12-bit color depth. Absolutely amazing for media consumption or creative work. So this is the bezel from the Xiaomi PavoTube Pro. You can see how wide it is, right? And this is the one from Xiaomi PavoTube Ultra, and you can see how narrow the bezels are, right? And now let's test some system apps. Opening the switch between apps is buttery smooth. I think it's because of that flagship processor, right? The Xiaolindrawing. Everything just flies. There is no lag, even with the multiple apps running in the background. For productivity, you've got this PC level apps like WPS Office, though I cannot open it because it needs me to log in, and CAD support. So if you're a designer, this is a good one. And now let's talk about the floating keyboard. You paired with this floating keyboard, it transforms kind of like a portable workstation, right? This keyboard features a full PC layout. It's built with a magnesium alloy frame. It has a 4-pressure touchpad and a magnetic back panel that's impact resistant and drop proof. Something like this. Oh, isn't that cool? But when you unfold like you cannot put it flat. Okay, only in this angle, like this angle, this, and this. You cannot total flight. Okay. I know you don't care that much about the camera performance and the tablet, but still I'd like to show you something about it. So photo, so this is the photo. Okay, you can still use it, and here is okay, 1 times 2, supposed up to 10 times zoom. It looks like a really kind of shitty. Not that good, I mean, not that good. Video supports supports 4K 60 actually. And the portrait, Ultra, HD Pro, and Yeah, and that's basically everything about the camera, right? And now sound test. I mean, focusing on sound, okay, guys? Wow, the sound is gorgeous, right? So that's a really simple unboxing and hands-on of the Xiaomi Pad 7 Ultra. It definitely feels premium. I especially like the sound and the display. I can totally imagine watching movies and this thing would be a blasting experience. But yeah, the only thing is the price. Even buying it at the original price in mainland China is a little bit eye-watering. That said, I think for people with the specific needs, like those who want an ultra lightweight productivity tool, designers who are constantly on the go, or anyone who needs super long battery life and smooth hardware performance, and this beast packs a massive 12,000 milliamp battery and supports 120 watts fast charging. That means all-day use and super quick top-ups when you need them. Or, hey, rich people, this isn't a bad choice. And if you are interested in this Xiaomi Pad 7 Ultra, please check out the link from my friend's website, his top or down below. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.